Hello and welcome. You're watching Commodity Today English, your trusted source for the latest updates from the global agriculture and commodity markets. I am Palak Singh, and today we are looking at how India's yo-yo monsoon is creating fresh challenges for agriculture, food production, and even the country's power grid. Let's get started. India's monsoon has always been the backbone of its agriculture. But this year, experts say the rainfall pattern is becoming increasingly unpredictable. Instead of steady rainfall throughout the season, the country is witnessing a yo-yo monsoon periods of extremely high rain followed by long dry spells. This erratic weather is making it difficult for farmers to plan sowing, irrigation, and crop management. So why is this happening? Meteorologists says climate change is increasing the frequency of extreme weather events. Rising temperatures are allowing the atmosphere to hold more moisture, leading to intense cloudbursts and flooding in some regions. While other areas experience prolonged rainfall deficits, the impact on agriculture is significant. Rice, pulses, soybean, cotton, maize, and several other kharif crops depend heavily on timely and evenly distributed monsoon rains. When rainfall arrives all at once, much of water runs off instead of being absorbed into the soil. Then, when dry spells follow, crop suffers more moisture stress during critical growth stages. This is not only affects crop yields but also increases farmers' production costs as they rely more on irrigation and other inputs. But agriculture isn't the only sector under pressure. The same weather pattern is also affecting India's electricity system. During heat wave and dry period, electricity demand rise sharply as households and industry use for more cooling systems. At the same time, lower water availability can reduce hydropower generation. On the other hand, excessive rainfall and flooding can damage power infrastructure and disrupts electricity transmission in several regions. This creates additional pressure on the country's power grid, forcing authorities to carefully manage both electricity supply and demand. So, what does this mean for India's food security and economy? The erratic monsoon condition continues throughout the season. Agriculture production could become more uncertain. Lower yields may affect food prices, farmer incomes, and the availability of key commodities in domestic and international markets. Experts believe the long-term solution lies in building climate-resilient agriculture through better water management, improved irrigation, climate-smart farming practices, and stronger weather forecasting system that helps farmers to make timely decisions. The coming weeks will be crucial. The performance of the remaining monsoon season will determine crop yields and electricity demand across the country. So that's all for today's update.